Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Paxful application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. To log into your Paxful account on your iPhone, tap open your Paxful app from the app drawer. From the home page of Paxful, which looks like this, tap on the login button in order to log in to an existing account. If you don't have an account yet, tap on create account and register yourself first. Once tapping on the login button, it will take you to the login area. You can log into your Paxful account with your email address followed by your password or with your phone number. You can go ahead and type in your email address into the first text box. Make sure to enter the email address that is associated with your Paxful account. Now, head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password. Once you type in your password for your account, tap on the login button. But in case you don't remember your password, tap on forgot password link right beneath login with your phone number option. Follow the on-screen prompts so that you can reset your forgotten password for Paxful. Once your credentials is correct, you can tap the login button, go through the verification puzzle, and there you have been logged in to your Paxful account. If you want to receive notifications from Paxful, tap allow in the pop-up. Now simply set a PIN for quick access in order to lock or unlock your application. Re-enter your PIN for your Paxful account, and there you are logged in with your Paxful account on your iPhone. This is the main homepage for your Paxful account. Now simply go ahead and start trading with your favorite cryptocurrency. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.